All right, welcome back. So the first thing, this was bothering me, the ball didn't look good, so I was trying to figure it out. It actually does look better if you do an even number, strangely enough, for a circle. So the way that I kind of do this is, since I have 8 pixels across, I do half of my pixels, which is 4 on each side, like this. And then we just put a dot in each corner here, and then we fill that in, and that looks quite a bit better, I think, than the previous circle, to be honest. But yeah, that looks more like a ball to me. And because we have this dynamically placed, it still places perfectly in the corner there. But anyway, that's not the main point of this. Main point of this is I want to move the ball across the screen. Now what I could do is down here I could, have the X position. So basically I reset the position and track my X and Y. However, Ball Sprite has a built-in ability to set the velocity of a sprite, and we're going to use the built-in functionality here. Ball Sprite.set velocity, and this takes a Vx and a Vy, so 2 numbers. Vx is the horizontal velocity, and Vy is the vertical velocity. So let's say I put 0, 0. Nothing happens because it's no velocity, and that's the default behavior, is no velocity. If I change this to 1, now it's going to slowly move horizontally across the screen. Why is it moving so slow? I thought our FPS was 30 frames, so it should be going 30, But the reason is because this is actually velocity in pixels per second. So this is a better way of doing it because it doesn't matter what our FPS is. It's going to be dynamically doing it based off of the pixels per second instead, which means this is going to take 160 seconds to move across the screen, so almost 3 minutes. So if I want it to move faster, I can do 10, and now it'll take 16 seconds to move across the screen. It won't just jump 10 pixels at a time, it'll smooth it out, which is really nice based on the FPS. So this is a really handy built-in function. Let's do 50. I think that's a good speed for what I'm trying to accomplish. Maybe that's still too slow. I kind of want to create a bouncing ball effect here. So let's do 100. And there it goes. And if I do 100 here as well, there it goes. It just moves diagonally down like that. So I want this velocity to be dynamic though, because I want to be able to change it. Like I don't want to just fly off the screen and not do anything. I want to reset the velocity to other things. So I want to create variables to track these. So I'm going to create let Vx equal 100, let Vy equal 100. And now when I put in Vx and Vy to here, it's going to go whoop, just fly off the screen like that. Same thing happens. Now I want to actually be able to bounce this ball off the side. So that's what we're going to do in the next video, is actually make it so that when it hits the side, it's going to bounce off.